Bombay Beach, once a thriving resort town on the shores of the Salton Sea in Southern California, has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past decade. Its desolate and haunting landscape, characterized by decaying structures and an eerie quietness, has become an unexpected canvas for a burgeoning art movement. The story delves into the artistic revival of Bombay Beach, exploring the beach art and installations that have breathed new life into this forgotten corner of California. In the mid-2000s, Bombay Beach was largely known for its ghost town-like atmosphere. The town's decline, driven by environmental disasters and economic hardships, had left it with a population of less than 200 residents and a reputation as a symbol of decay. However, this very desolation became a fertile ground for creativity and innovation. The turning point came in 2016 when a group of artists and visionaries, including Stefan Ashkenazi, Lily Johnson White, and Tao Ruspoli, founded the Bombay Beach Biennial. This annual art festival aimed to transform the town into an avant-garde cultural hub, attracting artists from around the world to create site-specific installations and performances. The Biennial quickly became a catalyst for change, drawing attention to Bombay Beach and sparking a cultural renaissance. Bombay Beach's unique landscape provides a dramatic and evocative backdrop for artistic expression. The decaying remnants of its past, combined with the stark beauty of the desert and the Salton Sea, offer a surreal setting for art installations. The town's empty streets, abandoned buildings, and open spaces have been transformed into an open-air gallery where each piece interacts with the environment in profound ways. One of the most iconic installations in Bombay Beach is the Drive-In, created by artists Stefan Ashkenazi and Stefan Ziegler. This installation repurposes old, rusted cars, arranging them in a classic drive-in theater setup, complete with a large screen that occasionally shows films. The installation is both a nostalgic homage to mid-20th century American culture and a poignant commentary on the town's decline, surrounded by the vast emptiness of the desert. The drive-in evokes a sense of time standing still, where the past and present converge in a hauntingly beautiful tableau. The influx of artists and the creation of installations have not only transformed the physical landscape of Bombay Beach, but have also revitalized its community. The Biennale has fostered a sense of pride and ownership among residents, bridging the gap between long-time inhabitants and newcomers. Art has become a common language, bringing people together and fostering a spirit of collaboration and mutual support. The artists involved in the Biennale have made concerted efforts to engage with the local community, involving residents in the creation of installations and performances. Workshops, art classes, and collaborative projects have provided opportunities for residents to express themselves and contribute to the town's cultural renaissance. This inclusive approach has helped to break down barriers and build a stronger, more cohesive community. The artistic revival of Bombay Beach is not without its challenges. The town's remote location, harsh climate, and environmental issues pose significant obstacles to sustained growth and development. However, the resilience and determination of its residents and the artists who have embraced the town offer hope for its future. The Salton Sea, once the lifeblood of Bombay Beach, now presents one of its greatest challenges: Rising salinity levels and pollution have devastated the local ecosystem, leading to frequent fish die-offs and health hazards. The receding shoreline has exposed toxic sediments that, when disturbed, become airborne, posing respiratory risks to residents and visitors. Addressing these environmental issues is crucial for the long-term sustainability of the community. Despite these challenges, the role of art in Bombay Beach's revitalization cannot be overstated. The Biennial and the ongoing influx of artists have brought much-needed attention and resources to the town. Art has not only beautified the landscape, but has also fostered a sense of hope and possibility. It has shown that creativity can thrive even in the most unlikely places, transforming despair into inspiration. The future of Bombay Beach is a complex and evolving narrative. The town's artistic revival has sparked interest and investment, but sustaining this momentum requires ongoing commitment and innovation. Addressing environmental and infrastructural challenges while continuing to nurture the creative spirit that defines Bombay Beach will be key to its long-term success. The story of Bombay Beach is one of transformation and resilience. From a forgotten resort town to a thriving hub of creativity, Bombay Beach's journey is a testament to the power of art and community. The beach art and installations that have redefined the town's landscape are more than just aesthetic expressions. They are symbols of hope, renewal, and the enduring human spirit. As Bombay Beach continues to evolve, it serves as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, creativity can flourish and inspire. The town's artistic revival is not just a story of survival, but a celebration of possibility, proving that beauty and innovation can emerge from the most unlikely places. In Bombay Beach, the past and present coexist in a dynamic and ever-changing tapestry, where art and community come together to create a brighter future.